What's up, everyone? Today we're going to try to automate some attachments from inboxes, sending those to Google Drive, and creating a list of them on Zapier. I really love, there's a lot of great YouTube tutorials on Zapier. These are some of the common ones. So what we're going to do here is I have an email inbox, and you may be receiving invoices or maybe have to send invoices, and you need to gather those invoices, whether it's has an attachment or you can search by subject line. And we want to grab this document here. I just have a text doc, but it's probably a PDF. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to send this over because we don't want to search our inbox all the time. We're going to send this over to a folder I set up called Invoices Tests. And then we can think about sending maybe a list to a Google Sheet of those documents and maybe the date, maybe the name, and then a link to the documents. You have a nice sort of repository or database of documents, so you're not searching via an email. And this is really the pain point of email in general, right? So let's get started. We're gonna just kind of take a stab at this. So I'm going to start with Gmail, and we're going to do a trigger event. We're going to do a trigger when you receive a new attachment. Sounds pretty good. And then I'm going to connect my Gmail account. Now, the problem is I think I forgot my password to this new one here. So we might be in trouble, but I might already be logged in, so it might work. Come on. Okay. Tim Automation. You email me if you want. So I'm going to configure this. Great. And then we're going to search for, it's going to be based, we have a lot of categories here, but it looks like we can just search our inbox. And then I think what you want, if you're looking for something like an attachment from someone, because you might get attachments from a lot of different people. So if it's from a service, if it's any service, anything that has an attachment, you might not want that because you might have a bill or something. You don't want your like utility bill in here. So let's say you just want it from any software vendor or something like that. So I'm actually going to look. I sent this from my personal email, and that's what we're going to use here. So I'm going to do from Tim Pittman 021. Let's try that one. Continue. And we're going to test the trigger. Yeah, beautiful. So here we go. Here's that email. You have all of this stuff, and this is the payload. This is all the data we can go and play with. It's really fun. Really, really fun. All right, so we're going to go here. Now, what are we going to do with it? We have to extract that document and we have to send it into Google Drive. So we're going to do, we don't want, we can move a folder, we can upload a file into Google Drive. Maybe we do that. We're going to connect this one again. Looks like you can connect multiple accounts. Pretty neat. And then we should have that file and that payload, right? Because we're grabbing that information. We're going to configure this. We're going to get the folder. So I set up a folder. Shared with me. I don't think I want that. Invoices test. I don't want that. I wanted, oh yeah, that is it. Sorry. So invoices test. And then file, I want to insert the exact file here. This is all sorts of stuff. What is this? Attachments? This might be what I want, right? You don't want the body size. Um, attachment. Exists but not shown. Do I want to convert? No, I want to false. And file name, I think we could, this is interesting too. You might want to standardize a file name, but let's just do for now the file name here. But you probably could, right, create some sort of string based on this. right? So it could be, you know, test. I don't want that. We'll do like service plus file name. Like you could do something like that, right? But I think we'll call it invoices test document. And then what we'll do too is we'll do date, kind of an ugly date. We can format that. We'll just put date in there as well. And then file extension. I don't think we need that. Um, can only be used if you also specify file name. Yeah, we might need this one. I haven't done this in a while. So let's just see what happens. We're going to test this, test setup. And this is going to pull in, let's see, file. That's not what we want, is it? Data in, data out. Um, file. Yeah, I don't think we want that, huh? I actually think we got to go back. Sorry, let's go back. And the file here is we want file name, I'm type. I want the actual file. Attachments. What does that mean? No data. ID. I actually think that might have been right because what I want to do is grab the, what is this? Format data. It's a real, see, if you wanted to format stuff, you could here. So I'm going to try attachments here. I'm going to confirm. We're going to test. I'm wondering too, actually, if it's going to do this. Here's the file itself. And then what we should see now is this. Yeah, here we go. Boom. Got it. All right, now if I open this, look, it's just a text document. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So easy. And then we're going to now we're not done yet though. We need to go to Sheets. And then what we're going to have to do for Sheets is create a new spreadsheet in the right format. Let's make sure here. Yep. And we're just going to go date, file name, um, and then location. Easy, but you could put any of that information, the metadata from the email in there, right? So if you wanted to get who it came from or anything else in there that you can get creative with, you could do it. So we're going to go here now, and then we're going to create a spreadsheet row. We're going to grab a new account here. It's weird it doesn't pull in my other accounts. I have so many accounts here. Love hacking at this. Love hacking at this. So much of my job is just this during the day. So yeah, there we go. All right, now so should be easy. I don't need the drive. I need the untitled spreadsheet, but this will be our invoices list. And then we're going to go back. That's fine. I think I'll refresh results. Yeah, there we go. Worksheet one. And then, all right, so dates, I wanted to, let's see, from the file upload, maybe you want to do it if there's a date it was created, which should be the date that it was uploaded, maybe. Created date, something like that. File name should be easy enough, right in the file, title. And location, what we're going to do is find the file name here, I believe. No, it's not what we want. We might want URL. It's just kind of how you hack at this stuff. I didn't do all this up front. Download URL, upload, file. I don't think that's what we want because what we want over here is actually if you share this, you kind of want to file information, details, right? I think you want this document. If you like hit share, copy a link. So I think like this is the share link, a drive link, right? So we're going to come back here and we're going to go just try link. Download URL. Web content link. Alternate link. Parent link. File. I don't think you want the Zapier one. I don't think you want to download it either. So let's try the web content link here. Let's try this. It says download on there. Let's see. That didn't work, did it? Really hacking at it. Okay, let's go down. You guys probably already know. Probably screaming at me. Let's go back. Web content link. Let's do continue. And then we're going to test the step. I guess I just test this, right? So we're going to go here. Let's see if it populated. Beautiful. Look at that. Now we're going to open and we're going to go to the document. I don't have access. So you need to give yourself access, but that should be fine, right? So here, I think I just need to share this link with, make it like a public link or people with access me. Anyone with the link, something like this. Done. Because that's annoying, right? So I think there's some user permission stuff here I have to figure out. Because I can access this here, but I can't access this here. Um, so let's go back. Maybe that's not what I wanted. We're gonna do this one more time. We're gonna do link. User permission stuff like web content link, alternate link. I don't know. What's the parents link? Continue. Retest step. This could be a 5-minute video instead of it's a 20-minute video. We're going to go back in here. Let's see. I don't know what Google APIs is doing. That's not what I want. That's the um hmm. I'm just going to Google this, right? Um Zapier Google Drive link URL file, something like that. Um, there we go. File ID can parse out from the file URL, something like this. So maybe I need the file ID. That's annoying. right? That's it right there. Look at that. I need the file ID. There you go. Okay, let's try it again. So maybe I do the ID. That's really annoying. Can't just give me the link. There's the ID. So location would be this, and this would be the ID. Continue. And then we're going to retest. And then we're going to go here. And then we're going to go here. Oh, bam. Got it. All right, excellent. So that's it. That's a little annoying, right? It just giving, why wouldn't it just give me this URL? So that's it. That's all you have to do. This is set up. We're basically, to recap, taking an email that has an attachment. You can filter on that email criteria based on the email, based on the attachment type, whatever. And then you're going to grab that attachment. You're going to drop it into a folder you've designated. Super easy. And then you're just going to create a new spreadsheet row in a existing sheet. And then when you configure that, you're going to add the fields that you need. You can add more here. You can send it to chat GPT and summarize it perhaps in a new column. And then in the location, you need to create this new URL here. Sorry that took so long. Hope you enjoy this video and see you next time.